Are we live? Am I live? Is it happened? Are we live? Hello? Can you hear me? Are you all here? Hello. Hi. Hi, Ethan Zillosaurus. Hello, Pin Studios. With the trademark. What's up, Owlman? Hi, Captain Robobot. Hi, Matem Lol 3. Hi, Beggar Studios. I'm currently drawing. Ooh, drawing. That's nice. I've arrived. Hi, Stray123. Hi, Glitch6. Do you remember me? I remember everyone here. What's up, Oreo Plays? Welcome. There wasn't a stream the last 2 weeks because of the holidays. You know how it is. You know how it is. But we're back for another Tuesday stream. Are you Sigma or Ligma? Guess it depends on the day, you know? You know how it goes. What's up, Aya? Hi, Mr. Funny Man. Currently making a game. Hi, Mario Videos. Hello, hello. Let me post the stream in the Discord server. Let me do this. We are bringing back a lot of stuff. We're bringing, what's your opinion on hexagons? They're okay. We're bringing back a lot of stuff, okay? So, we're going to be doing the Frog of the Week. What's up, Andy? Andy, you're not a mod? Did I not make you mod? How crazy of me to not make you moderator. Add a moderator. There you go. You're a mod now. Have you guys played Hyper Light Drifter? I have not. I've seen it before. Happy birthday. Whose birthday is it? Oh no, is this going to be the happy birthday thing again? Make a hexagonal jelly? Nah. What's the Frog of the Week? We'll get to the Frog of the Week in a second. But what we're going to be doing is we're going to be working on the... Oh no, not happy birthday. We're going to be working on the Archeology biome today. And we got some cool new stuff. So, I'm bringing a thing back that I started last year, and I didn't really do it that much, but we're bringing it back. And what am I talking about? I'm talking about the jelly mural. Oh shoot, I need my chat. Hold on a minute. My chat has disappeared. The chat is supposed to be on the left, but you know what? We're just gonna go with this. We'll just do this. Like that. And then like that. There we go. Yeah. Yeah. I gotta watch so many devlogs now because I haven't seen your devlogs in like 6 months. To be fair, I haven't been posting much lately because I've been just working on stuff. So, this is the jelly mural. It is... Right now, there's 2 of them from the last time I did it. And I'm upset that I don't know the names of the people that did it. Because basically what it's gonna happen, if you donate $10 or more, you will have a jelly drawn in your honor in this mural. And then eventually this will get filled up and we'll make a new one. But I do want to start writing the people's names above the jelly. Or at least like Yeah. Yeah. You know what I mean? So we're doing the mural. That'll be fun. That's another little, like, fun random thing. Someone said Fairlii is better than Aya? What do you mean? Aya's the best. I love Aya. If we donate $20, do 2 jellies appear? No. No. That does not happen. But everybody that donates, I read your donation. I read your name in a funny way. Of course you're better than Aya. What's up with Aya hate? Why are people hating on Aya? What did Aya do? All Aya ever did was make good content for the people of the world. Alright, how many people are here? We got 31 people. I'm gonna need y'all to hit that like button. We got 34 people and only 11 likes. Come on. Come on, come on. Also, shout out to the members. The members are getting a bunch of crazy stuff in 2024. And members get cool stuff, like a little cool little icons next to their name in chat. They also get access to channel emotes, so that you can do some cool emotes from the YouTube channel, and you get a bunch of content early in my games for free. Just a bunch of other stuff. Pretty epic. If you want to become a member, which you can do for as low as $2 a month, there you can hit that join button, or there's a link in the description also for that. Pretty cool. Okay, so now that I got all of the things out of the way, where I'm just yabbing and blabbing, we can get on to the frog of the week. Now, last year, I know you guys remember this actually if you were here. The frog of the week started with an arc where the frog was in Walmart, and then it only lasted like 2 streams, and then it was done. But this year, we're starting a brand new arc that I'm hoping will last for a while. And that is none other than, this might be loud, I don't know. If it's loud, I apologize. We have frog in gas station. Thank you, everyone. That was the frog of the week. Frog in a gas station. He was in 7-Eleven. The frog is actually beginning a journey, and the first stop was the gas station. And throughout the rest of the streams for this year, this frog is going to be going crazy. Is it just me, or is there no sound? Did the frog not have sound? The Minecraft Pringles might need to show back up. No? It did have sound? Legendary frog moment. Some people are saying it had sound and some people are saying it didn't. The frog didn't. It had sound. It didn't. It was quiet. It should have had sound. It may have been quieter. I heard it. Alright, so people are capping. Someone asked, what does member give you? Member gives you your name in the top right. It gives you icons next to your name in chat that actually change the longer that you're a member. You also get access to members only videos. There's a lot of behind the scenes members only videos. Let me just name a few of what's going on in the world of the members only content. It's purely an optional thing if you want to support the channel, help fund me being able to make the video game. So I did one where I was working on creating the Mellyfly. Oh, look, Philip is a member. Members also now have a pink banner in the chat, and you can also see it's got a MyBim picture. And they also have little emotes. But I'm starting a new series. Oh, well, I started this series last year, but I'm going to continue it for the members this year. And it's called Exploring the Archive, where I look through scrapped and old stuff in my video games. That's a fun one. It's basically just a lot of behind the scenes cool epicness. And there's going to be more stuff for the members in the future. But anyways, you should host a game jam. I did host a game jam. It was the Jelly Jam. And I'd like to bring that back this year. 2024 Jelly Jam. Would people be interested in that? I just realized I've been in top chat this entire time, which means I haven't been seeing all the chat. I missed it. Yeah, it was... I can't remember what year the Jelly Jam was. Might have been 2 years ago now. I can't remember. Anyways. Okay, I think we got everything out of the way. So, it was 2023. We can actually get to work. So if you guys remember, we had the good old-fashioned... Now, I might blow your guys' mind here. We have the archaeology biome. You may notice something different. And that is... Yes, I have a new theme for Sprite. If you've been here for years, you have seen me using the same exact theme on Sprite, and I decided, new year, new theme. I also, let me just open up a random script here. One day, people in my school came into my class and promoted their Instagram and said that they're very attractive. Then they left. That's funny. New year, new theme. Colors are like a very impactful on me. So having nice, easy to look at colors just makes me feel a lot better. So I went with that. I can also show you. This. I have a theme for my Visual Studio. And this one is very cool. It's actually the same theme as my Sprite. Look at that. Same theme! Cool, so cool. More people should watch this. Everyone spam fart. No, please don't spam. Aren't those the Godot colors? No, I don't believe so. It's a theme. This is the person who made it. It's called like Cappuccino. And there's a couple of different colors. I think this one's called I can actually probably look. Where do I go for that again? Preferences. Theme. Cappuccino Frappe. Please don't spam. If you spam, you're gonna get timed out and banned. You won't get banned, but you'll get timed out. Okay. Okay, yeah. I did say to not spam, and you continued to spam, so sorry, but you're going to be put in timeout. I'll put you in timeout for 5 minutes. Sorry. It's okay. They've been put in timeout. Go in the corner. Go in the corner. Go in the corner and stay there for a little while. Yeah, you got put to the naughty corner. So, guys, very important and epic stream because we're finally going to... How the heck do you make those color in Unity? It's a asset called Pretty Hierarchy, I believe it's called. Rare sighting of Aya. A rare Aya in the wild. Kind of as rare as a unicorn, if you think about it. Think about it. So, we're actually going to start adding the archaeology biome into the game. I have this right here, which you guys may have seen before as friendly fields. But actually, if you look up here, it is the archaeology biome. I just basically copy and pasted friendly fields. We're going to start off with this. And we're just going to start adding stuff in and see how it goes. Do you guys... I normally do this at the end of the stream, but I think I'm going to do it at the beginning of the stream so more people catch it. But do you guys want to see new stuff that I've been working on? I love the Jellyfields art style. I love it too. I'm pretty proud of this art style. Yes. Yeah, yes, yes. I'm getting yeses. All right, then we're going to go through with it. We're going to do it. So, let's play out a scenario here. We're in friendly fields. This is the epic scenario. Okay. I need to... How do you... Yeah, mute audio. We're just gonna... Actually, I'm not gonna mute the audio. I'm actually going to turn the audio... I guess I'll keep it at 3. So you're in friendly fields, the first biome in the game. You're playing, you're looking at the jellies. The jellies are sleepy. You're petting them. They're happy. They love you, right? You find a bug. You're like, let me catch this bug, and you caught it, and it was a Durner. Oh, the cursor is new. Look, it's a new cursor. Yay! And let's say you are checking out the challenge board over here, and there's plant turnips, plant 3 turnips. You're like, okay, cool. Let's just real quick and easy get a challenge out of the way. There you go. Planted it, and I gained some star rank. Now, you've probably seen star rank a lot, and I've talked about it. I've shown it. It's basically the reward you get for completing biomes, and also the reward you get for completing all of these different challenges. But so far, I haven't really shown what star rank does. But now, I actually get to show what star rank does. So, when you come back to your train station here, which the train station has got a pretty big visual overhaul. There's some really cool stuff. There's these little tiles. There's some different grass with like little flowers on it. Nice, just nice stuff. Oh, there's some birdies. And if I go over here, you can see that this requires 5 star rank, and I have 5 star rank. And if I click it, there's this little thing here and that there. So if I drag it over to there, I rebuilt my amenity, and now I can play with this little ball. There's a bunch of different types of amenities that you can rebuild. Some of them are fun, some of them aren't. I'm kidding. They're all fun, but some of them are functional and some of them are just to mess with. So this ball is purely just to goof around with. Sorry, I can't speak today. But some of them, like this vending machine, actually offer some sort of advantage in the game. So this one will actually increase the power of your click grow. So sorry guys, sorry. I'm working on that menu right now, so it doesn't work. I can actually show you the click grow does work. Sorry. Why is it taking so long? Unity, are you good? The freak was that, Unity? So, your click grow is when your crops are growing and you click and it grows them. The thing that increases the power of your click grow is... Oh, there's a little visual bug there. When you're clicking these, after you click a certain amount of times, it'll do like a double. You know what I mean? Like double the strength. I'm so sorry. I don't know why I can't talk today. Hi Veerst, welcome. So that's a cool thing. I think if I were to do this and load a new save file, I can actually show you rebuilding the vending machine as well. It's very satisfying. So yeah, you can see the vending machine right there. I can go. And then I'm just going to cheat and give myself a bunch of star rank. And then we're going to head back home. And now we can do that. And then we can put that together. That together. And we rebuilt the amenity. It's very fun. It's very satisfying. As with most things in the game. Just extremely satisfying thing to do. Another thing that star rank does is it will unlock new biomes. Ignore this menu. It's not very visually interesting. But once you get enough star rank, you'll unlock the next biome. You get how it goes. And then you'll be able to go to new biomes like Rocky Retreat here. And then I can plant a fruit. And then I can give the fruit to the jelly. Okay. Cool, right? You're good. I haven't been able to talk all week. It happens. It happens. The tiles in the game are 16 by 16. So, let's move on to the new stuff. I don't remember if we went back through. We did. We did go back through and we did all of the tiles for this biome. So we can actually just start grabbing them and putting them. Well, we need to be on the foreground. We can start making a little tile set here. Whoops, I didn't want it to be like that. I don't know how many tiles we're gonna need. I don't want it to be like that size. Let's just 32 and then 32. That's definitely not enough, but we'll just go as we go. In the meantime, have you guys... You should do limited edition Jellyfields merch. I've been wanting to do Jellyfields merch, or just merch in general, but I'm afraid that I don't have enough of an audience to do it. Sounds kind of sad, but it's pretty true. I have an okay amount of subscribers and stuff, but I don't think people are that interested for me to go through the whole process of doing that. I don't know. What do you guys think? Mario videos, you're like saying you're gonna commit arson and you're doing like an IP joke. I'm gonna say, Mario videos, if you do one more stupid thing, I'm just gonna ban you, brother. You're just disrupting chat. You're not even doing anything helpful. Even if you do have an audience, it's hard to get ones that want to buy things from you. Yeah, I don't know like how many people would want to buy things from me, because I'm already assuming that not a lot of people are going to even buy my games. I'll watch the Mayo Man. Thank you, Andy. Yeah, if they get out of line again, Andy, press the button. The big button. I love merch, but with the amount of subs, I feel like some can't buy. And hi, my name is Some. Yeah, it's tricky because not everyone is able to buy things, and it would just be a lot of effort for me to do all of that. This is just the normal one, right? Yeah. Okay, I think I'm good on that. We also have to do all of these top ones. I do want to potentially change the way that this tile looks, but we don't have to worry about that yet. Well, actually, I don't need these tiles because I can just use the ones from Friendly Fields. And then we need this one. Is there another variant of the ground? I should probably make another variant of the ground. We'll put that there for now, and it'll be a ground variant. So we... that's the basic of that. We can do the inner tiles here. I'm kind of organizing this, but also at the same time, not at all. I just want to add do something like this. And I can move that up. That kind of works. Right. Yeah, it's pretty much gonna be like that. What are you even doing? I'm making a tile set so then we can actually put it into the game. How expensive will the game be? Around $10. Around $10 is what we're thinking. I'd love to go cheaper, but I also need to monies to live. What's the music? The music is from Jelly Fields. It is called How Does It Feel to Have a Jelly Around? $10. I could totally buy that. Yeah, not too expensive. He needs the monies. Yeah, sadly. Sadly, everybody needs the monies. Where's this? Is this just on the sky? Yeah, it is. So we actually have this background, and I'm just going to put the background this background is just going to be I'm trying to think of if I should just do it like we're gonna do the background like this to start off, but we're definitely gonna change it in the future. So we're gonna do this background stuff like this. We're gonna have that. Just for organization's sake, I might just pop them over there. We need, because I want to actually draw. I have this problem of sorting my stuff in my tile set in a way that I don't remember what it even is used for. So I actually want to like draw out a shape. Like, even though I don't need these tiles because I can just, they're just rotations of other tiles, I'm gonna have them there so that I can at least draw the things out. This one is a corner tile. I guess it should probably just be like that, right? Hold on a minute. Because these are all supposed to just be this. Which I don't know why that's a different color. I don't want it to be like that though. There you go. I want it to be like that. What is this shape that this is even making? It's like this kind of thing. One of the favorite biomes, if not my favorite biome I've seen so far in the game. You really love being able to see the stuff above it as well. Yeah, it's cool. And then I can take this and I can do that. So this doesn't need to exist because it's just this, right? Yeah. So I guess there's not really anything else I would need to add. Yeah. Because if I wanted it to be like this, I could have it just be like that. So I'm going to call this okay for now. When's the game's release date? Sometime this year, hopefully. A little after February. No. I haven't even released the demo for the game yet. And then we can actually export this. We're finally able to make a folder for the archaeology biome. Archaeology biome tile set. That. The game's gonna be $10. Hopefully. Well, hopefully is all depending on. So, if you're not a game developer, and if you've never gotten into the art of launching a video game, you need to make sure that you launch your game at a time where other stuff isn't happening. So, if the rumored Nintendo Switch 2 or the rumored whatever the next Nintendo console is going to be comes out this year, and let's say Jellyfields is set to launch in like October, and that thing comes out in November or December or even October, no, there's no way I'm going to release the game. That's why I said hopefully. Which, what is the archaeology biome going to be named? Is it going to have a special name, kind of like Rocky Retreat? So the naming conventions of the biomes, I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the Friendly Fields, Rocky Retreat. I don't know if I'm going to keep that or if I'm going to call them the actual like name of the place in the lore. Not sure. Will it be on consoles? I would like to release it on the Nintendo Switch, but I will not be able to do that on launch. That will be an after launch thing because it costs extra money and there's like a process for that. The Switch 2 is going to release 2027? No. That would be like that would mean the Switch is around for like 10 or so years. They're not going to have a console for 10 years. That'd be crazy. It'll probably be this year, 2024. If you release it for $100, you'll make 10 times more than if you release it for $10. Ah, yes. Thank you, Aya. Perfect. Folder, archaeology. Did I ever tell you guys what the gimmick or like the mechanics for the archaeology biome are going to be? Did we ever discuss that on stream? Drag this in here. 16, none, 0.0 filter. Then I have to go into here, which I don't think you guys can even see what I'm doing right now. I'm typing in 16 2 times, and then I'm done. Now we have a bunch of tiles. All the biomes so far have fun, unique features. What do you have in mind for archaeology? What is your opinion on Kirby? I love Kirby. Bargaining system or something? I think you did, but it's been so long I can't remember. So I don't know if this has changed since the last time I said it, but basically how this works, or well, how I'm thinking this will work, is there's not going to be a shop, right? No shop. So we can just say goodbye to the shop. Oops, that's not the shop. Instead, there's going to be a museum. And there's going to be these stalactites that hang from the ceiling. And they will generate these bits. It's 9 by 9? Yes, it's 9 by 9. And these bits you'll put into this conversion jar, and this conversion jar will turn it into a variety of different items. So it can be crops, it can be an ancient leaf, an ancient bone, this weird early currency type deal. And you can go to the museum and donate the new pieces that you've gotten. So let's say you grow these weird, I think they're peas or beans. I think they're peas. You grow these weird peas, then you get the pea pod, and then you donate it to the museum, and there'll be different museum sets. Once you complete a set, it will create an attack that will fly, and it'll hit the corruption. So you're going to defeat the corruption by basically collecting different things in an RNG type of way. I do want there to be I think what I'll end up doing is these stalactites will kind of be locked to your level. So like you'll start off with 1. And then once you reach a certain level, you'll unlock a second. And then once you reach a certain level, you'll unlock a third. You know what I mean? And then the jellies, the function the jelly will have, I think, I'll need to like play this out in game to see how it is. When you feed the jelly stuff, so like let's say you've already donated to the museum, so you don't need that anymore. Like let's say I donated this to the museum. Dang it. Let me just go to the sprite so I can do this properly. Let's say I donated this leaf, and it's donated. And then the bits turns into another leaf. So I already have this, and it's like, oh, am I going to donate it? What am I going to do? You can feed it to your jelly, and it'll actually go like, pew! It'll like launch a spell up here. It'll hit one of these, and it will make this grow faster. So it'll basically be, it's basically like a lot of RNG and like recycling items to get new items. And obviously in the game, when you level up, it increases your luck, so you'll have better luck of getting more rare things. It'll be a fun time. It'll be a fun time. This one will basically be pulling rare Pokemon cards, the biome. That's basically the feel I want to go for. I don't think you'll need to complete every single set in order to complete the biome, but some sets will have stronger spells than others. So maybe there will be a set where, let's say this ancient coin is like super rare and you get it on the first item conversion and you put it in and that's just its own set. And it might do like so much damage that it completely destroys one of the things of corruption entirely. Which we didn't make all three, but we made two. We have this ancient wheel and then a pile of bones. I don't know what the third one's going to be. Something interesting. But that's the basic idea I have for the biome. I guess you can give me feedback on what you think about it. Can jellies eat rocks? They can eat everything but seeds. What's my favorite Kirby game? Oh. I'm not sure what my favorite Kirby game is. I think I like Kirby and the Amazing Mirror. I like that one a lot. We're planning on adding modding support. Like, make it easy to mod. I think it's already not too terribly difficult to mod. But it's not going to have, like, full actual mod support, no. Make a museum that's British, which steals your items like the one in real life. You guys are crazy. So we need to make a new tile palette. We're going to call this Archeology. Create it. And we're just going to put it here. Drag these in. Also put that there. And now we have a new tile set that we can draw on. And we can just go on the ground here. For now, we're going to make a basic copy of this. I'm noticing that the colors are weird, which means I didn't import this properly. Oh, it's because I did normal and not none. There you go. Now it looks good. So we're gonna just get to drawing here for now. Let's get a basic idea of what we're working with here. It would be cool if we had water in this biome. Not sure if we'll have water in this biome just yet. And then for now, I'm just gonna make it totally flat. Just because. We actually should do some testing. Let's see. What's all in the background here? I think it's just these tiles. Let's completely remove the background. Background front. I don't know exactly which of these. It is that. So why didn't it go away when I did that? Weird. That's the background back. Get rid of all that. And then we can start removing all this stuff. I'm gonna go make some Lego. Bye. What if there are cracks in the walls and you treat the crack? Water comes out and the jellies drink, which makes them like you more? What? That sounded insane. You should add a leap feature so jellies can leap up to make it easier to make more hilly terrain. No, I don't want to do... The basic play area is always going to be flat. It's not going to be like hilly. There's no need for it to be hilly. The like outsides of the biome, yeah, that can be hilly. But the inside, there's no real reason for that to need to exist. It would just add development time of making them jump. Okay. We need to see how this actually will work out because I've never tested doing this. Because this is going to be the background. So it's like the entire background. I think that's too far back. We need the front. That's so weird seeing that. And then we can go ground. I don't know where the top of the biomes typically are, but we can take a look. I think that's a good enough height. Maybe I'll go up a little, up like 2. Let's go up 2. I think I should be getting food here soon. Let's see what that's like now. Will Jelly World ever be actually revived? Not sure. Hi, Adam. Sorry for asking so many times, but I'm curious if the corruption could spread across your map if you don't attack it. No, corruption does not spread. That's a bit stressful for the type of game that this is. Remember, this game is meant to just be chill and calming and just a fun time. It's not meant to stress you out in any type of way. So I want to avoid doing anything that could possibly stress people out. Fair point. Isn't it like this? I just realized I'm missing a tile. I don't have one that's just like that. I mean, I guess it's just that thick. This is cool. This is cool to see what this biome actually looks like. Do you guys think this is too tall? Philip had an idea. The name could be Cozy Caverns. That's a cute idea. Is this too high up? I think it should go down. Down 2. It should be like here. Let's see. Make it slightly lower. Much better. I like that a lot better because it gives you that being in a cave kind of feel. Which I do want to give that being in a cave kind of feel, but I also don't want to I don't want to make it feel too cramped. Oh, okay, if I do this, that means I'm gonna have to. It's so annoying that it's like that. And there'll just be these gaps. Have you made a backup of this game? Yeah, I back it up regularly. Cozy Toes would like Cozy Caverns. What's up, Kyle? If that is you on that account. How are you doing? Yeah, I'm making the base height. Because it does go, it can go down and up. So it would be something like this, where it can go like inward, that a little bit, like that. We can make it look a little bit pretty. Ah, what the hey? Let's make it look a little pretty. Don't let me just being weird as per usual. Do you guys enjoy this content because the game is interesting or because I'm a strange individual? Which one truly is it? What? Which is which? It's that one, which means I need this, which is like super annoying to have to do that. Both? Thanks, guys. I wasn't too worried if he didn't hear the idea, because I'm sure whatever he decides to call the biome will be fantastic, but thank you. Had to switch accounts. Hi, Kyle. Just watch it in the background. What engine is this on? This is Unity. I like game dev content. Cozy Caverns. That's a good idea. I do like that name. I do like the name. It's very nice. Oh, shoot. Thanks, Andy, for becoming a member. Andy has now joined the cool squad. Trying to think of some cool name for it. I like how there's just random turtle here. I mean, this already visually, ignore all of the Rocky Retreat stuff, but visually, that's cool. Because you'd be like, I'm doing all my stuff here, and if you want to, you can look up here into the rain. Now, the real question is, when it rains, what happens to it? If you go down far enough, can you get it to... No, it does still just hit the top. Look at that! Oh, it just rains on the world above you? Oh. That's beautiful. It's beautiful, I tell you. And then once we start adding... So this is fun. The most fun part about this is that this biome is just friendly fields, but you're on the bottom. Should I, like... I should just add stuff from friendly fields onto this top, because you're just in an alternate section of friendly fields. Can you move the camera up though? What do you mean? Like, can you go up to the top? No. No, you can't go up to the top. The top part is just pure aesthetic. You can look up there, but you won't be able to go up there or interact with stuff up there. Maybe I'll have something up there that you can interact with. Did the music get extra layers when it starts raining? No, you're hearing the stream music and the music in the game. I just need to mute the audio. You're hearing double. So that's under my house. I live in Friendly Fields. Yeah, under your house is an entire archaeological dig site. That's what all the mud is from. Everybody knows Friendly Fields got all the mud. All that mud, it turns into fossils. You need to add a thing that grows on the ceiling. Well, we have the stalactites, which are on the ceiling. Cool idea. Make it so sometimes when you spawn in fields, there's a mine shaft hidden by corrupted stones, and when you get rid of all the corrupted stones, you go into the cave biome. That's a cool idea, but that's not how the game works. Let's just do some cleanup here. We do need like a background elements here. Thank you, Kyle, for becoming a member. Oh, so many new members. Wow. Wow, so many members in such a little amount of time. So that one's a far back one. This one's a less far back one. Don't want any of this. That is the left of the biome. That's a spot that a bird can spawn. I can have the birds be up top. Let's do it. Just have the birds up there. Put the birds up there. We don't need a shop. There's going to be no shop in this biome and no sell box. We do need all of this stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna what side I should put this stuff on. Should the should the area with all of this stuff, like the world map and the pin board and all that, should this be on the left or the right of the biome? I think it could be kind of cool if it was in like, this is gonna have to add more tiles to the tile set, but it would be cool if it was on the right. I think I'm gonna keep it on the right here, but I'm gonna like have it be up. If you couldn't stream on YouTube, where would you stream? Twitch, I guess? Frog. Yes, frog. I want it to be like up. Like this. Some area that the jellies will not be able to reach. Why? Because we don't want the jellies. We don't want them here. Let's see. The Lunapon machine is gonna be here, because this is where the museum is gonna be too. This sign is gonna be somewhere around here. Now, need to be mindful of where the farming area is. I think this biome is gonna have a pretty standard biome layout, so it'll be just pretty much just like this. Most of the biomes are just like this. You just have this little farm area, and then everything else is extra. So that is quite a bit away. Maybe this stuff will be over here, right? And the world map. The challenge board. Maybe all of this stuff will be over here. And then all of the museum related stuff will be up on this like hill. So we can take the book table. Well, we don't need the book table. We do need the library though. Let's keep the library like that. That's pretty much everything we need. We don't need this book table for now. We do need that. We do need that. We don't need these train tracks. We do need that. The planting signs are perfectly fine being where they are. And then we can start to get rid of all of this stuff. For now, I'm just disabling this stuff. Wood bin, you don't need that. There's like a planter, you don't need that. Vents. Let me read chat real quick. Is there a jelly god? No. What are all the biomes? I can tell you the ones that have been shown so far. There's Friendly Fields, Rocky Retreat, the Festive biome, which is Christmas themed. There is the Desert biome that's been teased. If you're a member, there's another biome that's been teased. There's the Archeology biome. I don't know if any other biomes have been shown off yet. Is there a minor jelly? What do you mean? I could put a bird spawn here. Will jelly fields have lore? Light lore. Do you take suggestions for new biomes? All of the biomes have been figured out, but I do want to add biomes after the game comes out. So go ahead and send any suggestions in. They might make it into the game. Natural shell. Let's get rid of you. The keep up log. Just get rid of you. There's like so much stuff in this game that you need to keep track of. I would like some lore because that would be cool. The game isn't really, well, there is lore, but it's not a huge lore based game. If you want a huge lore based game, I would say wait for Luna Lane. That game has all of the lore, and that lore is connected to the lore of this game because they're in the same universe. But that game is a lot. There's a lot of lore in there. The candy biome was removed. Yeah, the candy biome might make a return in the future, depending on how well the game does. If the game does well, I want to keep updating it. So the events we get to remove, well, actually we need to keep rain grow, but we can just remove all of those events. In here, now that I removed all that stuff, I'm gonna run the game and see if there's any like crashes or anything stinky that happens. Nope. What a cool looking biome. Okay, I need to turn this music off. We've been listening to the same song for so long. What if we could use resources like wood and stone to build sprinklers that could boost crop growth? That would be cool. I kind of wanted to do something like that for one of the biomes. I got a Pompey. It's actually kind of rare. So this is gonna be like the little jelly travels thing. I'm not a huge fan of it just being out in the open here, but I'll think of something more visually interesting in the future. Look at that bird. Look at that bird. The birds being down here wouldn't make much sense because they just fly into the ceiling, right? I think the birds need to be like up top. In order for them to make any sense. Same with, well, the bugs actually can be down there, but the birds need to be up top. I'm headed. See ya. I'll be more active next week in our dev chat once I'm back from vacay. Bye, Kyle. Thanks for showing up. Thanks for becoming a member as well. When the game releases, I will not be a pirate this time. I'll try to buy it. I don't have a bank account. Listen, if you can't afford the game, if you can't afford the game and you hit me up and it's a serious inquiry, I might be able to send you a key. But only on the premise that you'll buy it later. I'm not just gonna give a key to everybody that asks me for one. It has to be like, you know, someone that's been in the community for a long time. You guys know how it is. I like how the biome is turning out. Thank you. Would jelly fields have level progression like Super Mario Odyssey? What do you mean level progression like Super Mario Odyssey? What does that mean? What do you mean by that? I'm gonna actually put these pieces of corruption in now, because I want to see what they're like. The Odyssey. What? What are you saying? I know what the Odyssey is, but I don't know what you mean. I'm gonna just call this a corrupt wheel. Kind of what it is. And then we have a bone pile. Corrupt bone pile. I'll probably have a bank account this year. Oh. Like a world traveling thing? Yeah, you go around the world. I'd be willing to pay $20 for durable jellies, but $10 is fair. I think $20 would be too much, based on the size of the game and the amount of content in it. I think $20 would be like, that'd be too much for people to. Can jellies unearth the bones? Yeah, they dig. They'll be able to dig. And I'm sure once they dig, they'll be able to find some interesting things. Oh shoot, I just realized that I need to create a folder for these tiles. There you go. If not, that was gonna just be like a craziness. Sorry, I had to sneeze. I think I muted, but there's a chance that I didn't mute. In the case that I didn't mute, sorry, that might have been loud. I just had to sneeze. I've missed doing these streams. I feel like I say that every time I do them. But I love the streams. They're so much fun. You were muted? Good. Hi, Aya. Hi, Animate Productions. Will you have a Kickstarter for the game? No. Bless you. Thank you. I think I got like a cat hair in my nose or something. I sneezed again. Oh my goodness. How long have we been streaming? A little over an hour. And look at this. We already have a incomplete biome. I think jelly was better than jelly fields, not gonna lie. Why? Yeah, the cat hair strikes again. I need to get rid of this. This tall grass. I kind of want to move. I kind of want, oh shoot. Huh, not sure actually. I definitely need to get rid of this. Delete that. We can delete all of these things too because we don't need them. This stuff is just taking up space. We don't need this or this. That. Okay, cool. I think the first corruption should be this. We need to change the collider to be this size. Whoops. I actually need to change the name of it to Corrupt Piece Bone Pile. And then we can go to the health bar and we can change its name to Level 1 Bone Pile. I might need to put the health bar a little bit down on that one. And then level 2 is the crate, but no, it's going to be the wheel. I need to adjust that, the size of that. And then we need to take its health bar, and we need to, I'm gonna call it Ancient Wheel. Let's enable the health bar to see if it's a good spacing format. Level 2 Ancient Wheel. And then we'll need to figure out what the third and like the fourth thing is. Fairlii has to look at chat more often. If I look at chat the whole time, I won't be able to do anything. Let's see. Make a mini game that's like wood chopping, but you pickaxe stones. You should make water drip from the stalactites when it's raining. That's a cute idea. I mean, the original concept for jelly fields, which was just jelly, was better than the current game. No, it's not. Not at all. The current concept for the game it wasn't a game. It didn't actually, you couldn't, yeah. It was something where it sounded interesting, but it was actually like just a mess. Cool. I'm curious to hear, sorry, I'm having trouble finding all of these messages because it's all going so fast. Navy, I'm curious to hear what your thoughts about what the original game was. What is the goal for the game? Is it to clear all corruption? What after that? You're attempting to clear all of the corruption in the world to save the world. Basically, this corruption, every time you clear it, it reverts and changes the environment around it, and it comes back. So there's no way of actually defeating it, because every time we defeat it, it's just going to come back. But you might be able to find a way to defeat it forever. That's all I'll say. That's the plan. Who knows if it'll happen. But what you do is you defeat the corruption in the biome, and then you head back to your train station. You're able to go to different biomes. There's these the challenge boards here. I like how it says Rocky Retreat, and it's all the friendly fields ones. There's a challenge board that also has challenges. There's a lot of things to do in the game. It's not a very in-depth, like a crazy in-depth game. You play it to have fun, and it makes you feel good. What I saw the original game as was a game where you take care of a jelly by trying to scavenge for resources in the world. The jelly was a lot more interactive, showing its own emotions. Yeah, but that only goes for so far. Like, the basic, the top of the gameplay was like, oh, give something to the jelly and then you feed it, and then that was it. The game was just feed a jelly. It's not really an entertaining game. I gotta head out, but I'll be back. Hope I don't miss too much. All right, Philip. Make a cheeseburger jelly. Cheeseburger jelly. The game as it is now is an actual game, and it's very fun. Very, very fun. Very good time. Let me make sure all this looks good. How are you gonna get to Cozy Caverns? It's just by train. You get to all the places via train. Okay, let me actually just do this. There you go. I beat the bone pile. And now we're moving on to the wheel, which this is in front of it. Oh, spooky. Why is that in front of it? I think there is a sprite ordering issue with the trees in Rocky Retreat, the Acknowledge tree. Let's see, where is this at? Foreground 1? I think it should be on sprites. That's probably good. Is there a way to turn your... No, you don't upgrade your train or anything like that. Corruption. Let's see if this is still the same thing. There you go. Cool. I'd say that was just a case of the original game being too easy and small. If you expanded on the world and made it more of a challenge to find resources, you could have had a good enough base to build on. I mean, I could have, but that's not the type of game that I really wanted to make. I mean, if you want to make a survival game where you take care of a little creature, you have all of the power in the world to do it yourself. It wasn't right for me, so I went in the direction that is right for me. But you have the power to go in that direction, because that direction sounds right for you. So I give you all the power to do that. Just don't use jellies. Make your own. Make up your own creature. Okay. So I think we should add, like, just for fun, we should add a crop into the game. We should add the little ancient turnip, because we can pretty easily do that, because we can just grab the normal turnip here. And don't tell anyone. But we're just gonna recolor it. Oh no! Oh no! Don't tell anyone. But we're just recoloring it. I would prefer it to be like that. There you go. Exposed. Hi, Delana. This is a fun little thing. Hi, Delana. Did you get food? Have you heard of Slime Rancher? Yes, I have. We can't see a sprite? Oh, shoot. Sorry, guys. Hey, man, that's one of the perks of a Fairlii live stream. Yeah, this should move over one. There you go. That's just a perk of my streams, guys. Oh god, I named it horribly. Okay. Okay, there you go. That's good. Ancient turnip. We can add this in. It's hopefully going to be a lot easier for me to add stuff now that I've switched over to the databases, which are just like a much easier way of doing things. So we can go to biomes, archaeology, and then we can have a folder. We can call it crops. And then I can go in here and I can grab the ancient turnip. Multiple, 16. Do that. And then I'm just going to do 3. I don't want these to go at the bottom. Perfect. Now I should be able to go into resources, crops, biomes, and I can make a new folder called archaeology and make new crop. Ancient turnip. Let me read chat. It's turning more into a progressive game with the corruption. The jelly seems more like a progression tool than an actual being to take care of. It seems a lot more motionless and stale. First of all, you don't take care of the jellies in the game anymore. You're just relating it to a different version of the game where it was a different thing. So, you don't take care of jellies anymore. Jellies are now, they're akin to... they're actually now the way that the jellies function, they're based on a little squirrel that used to live next to my house when I was a kid. And the squirrel wasn't my pet, but I would like give it food and it liked me, but it wasn't my pet, but it liked me. It's based on that kind of relationship. That is how feedback works. That's not really feedback. This person just wants me to make a game that I'm not making. Instead of trying to appreciate or understand that the way the game was working isn't working out, they just want me to make a game that they want, not me make the game that I'm making. Which is two different things. One is feedback and one is just talking. It's like when they added hunger into Minecraft and there are people that were like, hunger is ruined Minecraft because it got rid of the idea that I had for Minecraft. You know what I mean? There's a difference between the idea of what the creator is making and the idea for what a single player wanted from the game. And sometimes those things don't work out. And that's just how it is. So the game isn't this game that you wanted, but it's the game that I'm making. My lunch is over, gotta go. Have a great rest of the stream, Fairlii. Bye, Aya! It was nice seeing you. So, crop sprites. We can do this. Also, have you haven't played the full game and you don't know the full game. So it's weird to just have this random assumption that the game is going to be bad and stale when you're basing it on an idea for the game that had none of that actual gameplay in. It was all just a fantasy of a game. And now that there's an actual game here, you don't like it, even though you don't know what the full game is and haven't played it. Just kind of, it's weird to just make that assumption. But then again, I guess a lot of people do make assumptions on things they've never interacted with. Can you make a cheese crop? Maybe if I do like the crazy biomes in the future. Okay. 2. I guess I'm just gonna stay 1. I'm not saying the game is stale. I'm saying the jelly seemed a bit stale, considering that the original concept was more that you took care of the jelly than had it help with the corruption. No, they're way more expressive. They're a lot more expressive. I think this is just a problem of you may have like limited knowledge, and also because I haven't shown what all that they do yet. For example, here, let's go to friendly fields real quick. I guess this is gonna show you guys all kind of ideas for the jellies. So the jellies in this biome, let me delete my save data so it'll restart and there'll be all these jellies running around. Okay. So all these jellies are going to be running around. And I want you guys to see what the relationship is like between the jellies and their environment. Because the game is less about the relationship between you and the jelly relying on you, and it's more of observing the jelly in its own world. Right now they act a little crazy, so ignore that. But that one was just sleeping, and then it decided to just run. So these little guys, they sleep, they run around, and that's the basic stuff. They dig things up. They also will do really funny, cute things. Well, they just dug up a stick. They'll be able to stack on top of each other, and when they run into each other, they have different priorities depending on the personality type that they have. So they have several different personality types. There's like playful, there's lazy, there's just a normal one. And that affects what kind of things that they do. You can't see that right now because it's still in the works. So they kind of just run around like crazy at the moment. But an interaction that I can tell you guys about is this turtle fella here, right? He's a turtle fella. Some of the jellies, particularly the lazy ones, love the turtle fella. And they will walk right up to him and they will jump on his back and they'll actually sleep on top of him. But other jellies, particularly the ones with the shy personality type, will be afraid of this guy. Meaning, if they come anywhere close to this guy, they will get scared and they will run the other way away from him. So you'll be able to see a lot of different interactions between these jellies and the environment that they live in. There will also be different ways that they interact with each other. Some of them might be sleepy and another one might run into them. And maybe a normal jelly like this one runs into a sleeping jelly, and that jelly is like a thick jelly. Maybe the one that ran into it will get knocked back. Maybe the sleeping jelly is a little baby one, and they both get knocked back. You know, there'll be a bunch of different interactions like that. But you're not taking care of these creatures. These creatures are just living in their own world, and you are able to watch. Oh, you see that? He tried to run into him, but the bonbon is super playful, so it can't actually get knocked back. You can actually see a bonbon like run and knock through like 3 jellies at once. It's pretty interesting. But that's just the beginning of their interactions. But they're a lot more expressive. They have a lot of personality. And it's really cute. Please make the jellies stack on top of each other. Yes, they will. They will stack on top of each other. Is Possum Kid your girlfriend or fiance? Possum Kid is my fiance. Is this a Terraria spinoff? Why would it be a Terraria spinoff? where there'd be a little cute book with a bunch of species of jellies and other animals and bugs that you lock in the book as you see them. There's a system called the pin system, and you will unlock pins for completing certain actions. Let's say selling items will be a way to get a pin. So let's say the ancient turnip that we're working on right now, you sell, I guess in this biome we don't really sell it, but you feed it to the jelly, and then after you do it a certain amount of times, you'll get a pin for it. And when you open up, this is the library, this is where your pin book will be for that biome. You open up the pin book for that biome, and you'll be able to see all your pins that you got from that biome, and they'll have like descriptions about it. I used to play a Terraria clone called Orion Sandbox when I was younger. Shout out to my Orion Sandbox OGs in the chat. I love little jelly man. Oh, so cute, man. Oh, I love him so much. He bumped into the other guy. Oh, so cute. So cute little guy. I didn't even know there are multiple jellies. I have not updated myself at all. I guess I just have an outdated preview of the game. That's totally fine. That's not your fault, maybe. That is my fault for not properly releasing content about the game and educating everybody about it. It's kind of a thing that you would only know if you're a diehard, I was gonna say tryhard, a diehard in the Discord server, or if you tune into like every single stream. So it's understandable. Also, what's up Below the Stone? How you guys doing? By the way, guys, go play Below the Stone. I just was playing it last night. I'm probably gonna hop on after the stream. I'm gonna be honest. I need those holiday items. I did like 2 runs last night. Didn't get any of the holiday items. I'm like, come on. Oh yeah, being able to take pictures would be a very cute idea. Sorry, I got so sidetracked. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. And now I'm going all over the place. I'm so... What in the world am I doing? I need to actually look at one of these crops to see what it is called. Why does Sweet Root not have any shake particles? Really? Why do these guys not have that? I guess I just wasn't paying attention when I did that, and I never added it. Okay, so this does need... No, it's called Leaf Explosion. Let's see. Physical crop. No, it's not a physical crop. We're just at grow clicks to 1. We're not that. We don't have the seed drop chance. I'm going to put it at like 100 for now. Harvest XP 5. We're not going to mess with that right now. Is there a big jelly? There's not. I barely ever watch the streams because here in the UK they happen at 9 at 12 at night. Dang. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. I have no time. I started a new job recently. I have almost no time for myself. Sorry about that. Yeah, that sucks. Hey, Fairlii, this is Mojang. We would like to make a totally not fake, really sick collab. Wow, email me. If you could be a jelly, which would you be? Easy, Voltier. Will clay jelly ever make a return? I do want to do clay jellies. I'm trying to do... I don't know how well I'll be able to stick to this, just because of how making games and content works. I want to do monthly devlogs, and I would love to do a like clay jelly series in the devlog. That would be pretty cool. First people think it's a Terraria spinoff, and now a Minecraft clone. You would be the cat one. If you remind me after stream, I'll tell you about the cheese strat with the Christmas update. Oh, sick. Fairlii would actually make a collab with Mojang, there would be a Minecraft slime jelly. Can you make a big jelly? Reasoning behind this question, because why not? There actually is technically a big jelly. If anyone's in chat that's a member, can you post the king jelly emote? Please? If not, I'll post it. But there's like a weird delay between me seeing chat and when it happens. Only true Jellyfields OGs know what the art style was based off of. Thank you, Andy. If someone says your game is a Minecraft clone, and when it's not, that shows that they care. Obviously, right? That's how that works. Okay, you guys are distracting me. The people who watch the VODs probably hate this. Well, I think that people that watch the VODs typically... yeah, whatever I'm saying, guys. Whatever I'm saying. I think that people that watch the VODs typically just have it on in the background while they're doing other things. I don't know if the people who watch the VODs actually pay attention to everything, because if they do, that's a lot of boringness that you're just sitting through. I gotta give myself some credit. I guess not boring. No, I don't want seeds. I want you. I guess I can show you guys what I'm doing. I like how I'm talking about this stream being boring to watch back. And as I'm saying that, I wasn't even showing what I was doing. I don't know why I did this, putting an items folder separate from just the folder of the biome, but I just need to commit to it. We also have the ancient turnip seeds that we need to export as well. I think these are, yeah, they're supposed to be in their own folder. Okay. Create folder items. Seeds. I guess they were just called food. Archeology. Items, biomes, archaeology. Food. Ancient turnip, seeds. Ancient turnip seeds. Cool. I should have be getting lunch soon. Oh shoot. Fairlii, look at my message. Fairlii, I got my food. You'll be getting yours soon, my love. Yay! What better way to kick off the new year than by hanging out in the Fairlii live stream chat? How's work been? Guess you can just text me how work's been. I'm gonna make a Jellyfields fan game in Scratch. Mainly because someone else has already made a jelly-inspired game in Roblox. Wait, really? Someone made a jelly game in Roblox? Who? Show yourself. Is that real? Roblox. There are many jelly games in Scratch. Wait, what? Oh, smell grow. They're still making. Are they still making smell grow? The person that was making smell grow was in the Discord server. Smellster, I think their name is. But they weren't. I didn't know that was in Roblox. They're still doing that? What? Hold on. I need to log into Roblox. I cannot be bothered to remember my Roblox login. Oh God. I don't know what my Roblox login is. Oh shoot. Email me a one-time code. Are we gonna switch over to just looking at Scratch and Roblox games that people have made? I didn't know that. That's so weird. What the freak? You need to send me note. You didn't send me an email. What the heck? Is it in spam? Roblox? Roblox. Where? Roblox? They sent me an email. They didn't send me no email. Hold on a minute. Oh, I'll bring this back. Please hold. By the way, if you want to draw a please hold screen, I will use it on stream. Just draw it, send it to the Discord server, and it might show up on stream. Roblox. I'm gonna download it on my phone. Cause I think I don't remember what my username is on Roblox. I don't think I have a Roblox account that's just called Fairlii. Oh God, it's making me verify. It's making me verify. Invalid. I swear it was. Wait, I might have my Roblox password written into my phone. Hold on a minute. Password. I normally write a note of like passwords I have for stupid things like Roblox. Hold on a minute. Hold on. What is the password for that? What the freak? I'm logged in on my phone. I'm only logged in on my phone because... Is there a way that I can... Dude. Is there a way I can just... there's no way that I can just do this. Oh, wait. How do you find this? How do you find this game? How do I find this? Smell grow? What? How do I even find this? Skibby toilet? Not skibbity. Just skibby. Does anybody have a link to this? I can't find it either. What about on Scratch? Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Jelly Fields in Jelly World version 0.6. Bob. Block World. Jelly World trailer. Oh, it's just a jelly for now. This was in July. How did I not know these things? How did no one tell me this? Inspiration from the remake of one of Fairlii old games. Jelly Fields is the name if you're curious. Not Jelly World. Chanterelle, slime, desert, island. This is crazy. Is this one ever anything to do with me? This is inspired by Slime Rancher and Jelly World. Jelly World isn't out yet. What do you do? Idea. Needs tame slimes. Oh my god. Guys, this is insane. I'm afraid to click Jellyfish. I want to see Jelly World. Thanks to Fairlii for the idea. Jelly Fields. Instructions. How do you... Oh. Sorry, that sound effect. Jelly Fields. Huh? Huh? This is so insane. Jelly Run. Design from YouTuber. Boing. 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 Doesn't do anything. I can't go any further. And his picture's an Amogus. I really want to see Bob. This is Jellyfield's Scratch version. It's just a little project. I know this game has bugs, so don't point them out. Thanks. Press space and touch the seed to plant. Press space and the apple has to be touching Bob. Press C to put your cursor around the present to open. There's a love meter. Oh, this has music. Bob Happy! Games, all games, all games, all games, all games, all games, all games. Jelly Bob, fun Bob. Bob Happy! Oh my goodness. Whoa! Look at this one. Bob is back! Oh, it's Bob! Whoa! Fairlii? Fairlii? Remember this comment when you become famous. How'd this thing work? I really don't know. How do you plant? Oh. Oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, you can actually, like... Oh. Fairlii. It's me, guys. Fairlii. Come on. Come on, guys. Come on. Oh, he ate it himself. I didn't have to do anything. Does the apple tree work? Please like and fave if you want to see this remake become better and with new updates. Thank you. I want to see Bob. I want to see Bob. What? Minecraft, best one I've made. Dang. They left me for Minecraft. Dang. Dang it. Frick. Oh. They always leave me for Minecraft. Come on, guys. Fairlii. My arch nemesis, Fairlii. Hate that guy. He always steals all my subscribers. I was not expecting that to happen today. That was insane. I might need to make that into like a video or something. Diving into the world of Jellyfield's fan games. I didn't know people were doing that. Why didn't anyone tell me about that? Okay. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. At least Fairlii is not as bad as Fairlii. He's a real jerk. Hey Flail, I forgot to tell you, have you played Slime Rancher? I still have not played Slime Rancher. I'm sorry. I still have not gotten around to doing that. I'm trying to go through a like catalog of games that I'm still trying to finish. Ancient turnip. Are these actually sorted into like categories? Yes, they are. Let's add food. Let's add seeds. Now I have to finish the game, right? People are making fan games about it. You guys know how weird that is to me? And I don't want this to sound like bad, right? I'm just a normal dude. That's so weird. Think about this. Okay. I've lived my entire life. I've just been this normal dude. I'm just making a game. I put little videos out about it. There's people making fan games of my game. Isn't that so strange? I don't know if I'll ever get used to that. I'm making a bad jelly game as a joke. Oh gosh. I think of you more than a normal dude. Wait. Wait, punctuation in that one. Are you saying you think of me as more than a normal dude? Or are you thinking of me... You think about me more than you think about normal dudes? Which one is it? You have fans, imagine that. That's weird. It's weird to think about. There's no sell amount. This is definitely edible. I don't need the like hunger given thing. Crop the plant. It's not a seed. And then we're going to make another item, and this is going to be ancient. I do have 30,000 subscribers, but that's not a lot, right? More of an important guy. Your content is different, and it's good. Thank you. That's very nice. It is. No, this is plantable. I just put all this stuff as 5. And then I can actually go to here. And let's change the turnip seeds to ancient. Turnip seeds. And we can just do that as a way to test this out. Which I don't think this actually is going to work right now. Because we need the seed item. And we need the crop item. And then I think I also need to go back here. Might be good now. Let's see if this works. Let's see. I think of you as a normal dude. Yeah, see? What is the palette you're using? What's this palette called again, guys? Chat. I'm in an ancient city and there are these weird wool things and I thought it was Hairbrine. You're an influencer now, Fairlii. You can't escape from the title for the rest of your life. Are you still leaping for that mining idea? What mining idea? Sorry. Yeah, Pair 36. Pair 36 is the name of it. Ancient turnip seeds. The rarity should actually have been... Yay! It works. The rarity should actually be 0 for these. No rarity on that. I'm hungry, guys. I'm pretty hungry. We've been going for almost 2 hours. Wow. I think we're going to have to wrap it soon. We're going to have to wrap it soon. The idea where you go mining in the rock biome, am I wrong? You can still go mining. You can do the mining in the rocky retreat. Yes. I'm back just to tell you to add robots. Thanks, bye. Thank you, Kyle. Kyle, everybody. You say Pair 36, I can't hear well. I think it's called Pair 36. Low spec. I know it's on low spec. Whoa, why is this so zoomed in? Palettes. Search pair. Search by name. Pair 36. Yeah, Pair 36. Shout out to Pineapple on Pizza for making that. Someone said, very cool palette. I'm new here, and my question is, can this palette be used in commercial projects? What about the rest of the low-spec palettes? And someone responded and said, bruh, of course you can. It's a palette, not a game asset. It's a bit rude. You could have just said yes. I ended up making the bad game I'm posting on the Discord. Oh no. Where did you post it? Where is it? Memes? Art? I don't see it. I don't see it. You trolled me? What's your opinion on Hollow Knight? One of my friends really loves Hollow Knight. I've never played it though. Oh, didn't post it yet? Let's go ahead and while we're on the subject of crops, you have 95 hours on that thing. Let's do this crop. We need to come up with a name of this crop. What should this crop be called? It's a little fungus, little mushroom guy. Got a little mushroom fungus fella. That looks pretty good so far. I think I want this one to have 4 growth stages. So it's gonna have another one, and then one where it's like a little baby. Mario mushroom. I wish I had more time in it, but I got all the achievements and it got boring. Isn't there an achievement in Hollow Knight to like beat it in a specific amount of time, and it's very, very difficult? Yeah, there is. I think the mushroom should have some Billy Shroom. I think the mushroom should have some sort of name relating it to it being extinct or ancient. I don't want it to be too tall. That's pretty good. The bad game is out in general. Oh no. Is it loud? I hope it's not loud. What engine is this? What game engine is this made in? Julian's editor? What is that? Why is it taking so long to load? Hello, I haven't been to one of these streams forever. Well, it's nice to see you. I sneezed again. It is not loading for me. The bad game isn't loading. No loading. No loading on the bad game. Jeldy Fields. Oh, wait, it's doing something now. Look at that jelly. We recommend downloading the app. Ew! Wait, it's multiplayer. Yeah. Look at the shop. Stop. Oh. Turnip. Oh, I planted it. How did you make this fast? Hi, Ghostly. If you're in the Discord server, click the link in general. We can all play. We can all play together. Oh wait, I don't have to do mobile. Oh my god. What the heck? How did you do this that fast though? Sell. Oh wait, sell. 10. Oh shoot, my food's here. I'll be back. Hello? 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 Will you ever release the old Luna Lane? I watched all of your devlogs on it. It was really cool. I'm still in the process of actually working on the actual game. It'll be pretty cool when that's finished. I'm like back, but I'm also like not back at the same time. Not enough coin, lol. I don't know if the music is copyrighted. Oh shoot. I have 9,000 coins. Well, I gotta get out of here. If this is copyrighted. If this is copyrighted, we gotta go. We gotta get out of here. Look at it. The chat's trying to catch up from so long ago. Oh my god. How long ago it was. Music isn't copyrighted? How do you know? Did you run it through an algorithm? No, don't look at that. Okay. I'm gonna take this sprite. I'm gonna pop this sprite into the game, and then we're gonna call it the end of the stream. Oh shoot, this got cut off. Made a BRB screen. Oh, awesome. I'm back. Hello, I'm back. Everyone left the game. I will say, if you update this game, we can play it every week. If you just keep updating it with more wacky, crazy things, I will keep playing it. That's fun. That was very fun. What happened? I was getting Delena's mom drops off food on Tuesdays for lunch, and I was talking to her, so I needed to do that. I think we also have we have this. I'm gonna add these things in right now. Guys, I want to get a stream deck. So that I don't keep doing this where I forget to do the thingy. I just want it to be on my desk. I could press a button and it switches over. For now, because this doesn't have a name, it's just going to be called Ancient Mushroom. And these are going to be called Ancient Mushroom Seeds. Right, you following me, camera guy? Fairlii, make a BRB screen channel so we can post our art. I did make a stream text channel. I'll do it right now while I sit here. While I'm here, I'll do this right now. We'll add another question. Do you want to be added to the stream only chat? Answer yes. Where is this channel at? What? Where is this channel? I swear it was here. Hold on a minute. Yeah, it's right here. Is it because it's... I'm assuming it's because of that. Sorry guys, I just want to do this now. Answer is yes. There you go. Whoops. Answer no. Sure. I think that works. I think that works, guys. Okay. Now we should have biomes, archaeology. Let's go to items, food. Well, first, food. Ancient mushroom, and then seeds. Ancient mushroom seeds. And these are going to be 16. Oh, you guys can't see this. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. See, if I had a stream deck, that wouldn't happen. That wouldn't even happen. That wouldn't even happen. Sorry, Fairlii, I need to leave. That's fine. That's fine. The stream is just about over anyways. All we're doing is adding this one last crop, and then we're done. We're done. We're gonna name this as Ancient Mushroom Seeds. I don't know why I copied and pasted that. It's not going to be called Ancient Mushroom Seeds in the game, but for now, it's what's going to be. Just for now. This is going to have a rarity of 1, though. I guess it is a good idea to just duplicate it. Ancient Mushroom. Ancient Mushroom. Yep. Same deal. And now we need to go to the Ancient Mushroom. Crop is... Oh, nope. Oh, it's still named. Duh. They're still named the same things. Ancient Mushroom Seeds. I didn't change the name. Did I change the name of this one? Yes. Oops, not biome data. We want crops. Ancient mushroom. And the crop is the ancient mushroom. Seed is ancient mushroom seeds. Some of these need to have a variant. Variants. Seed drop chance, would you say? Well, we can actually put it back at 100. This is going to be leaf explosion. Just like that. Put that at 1. We'll just do 1 and 1. And then, to test it out again, we're going to do the Lunapon machine, and we're going to change the ancient turnip seeds to be ancient mushroom seeds. This should be good. Yeah, please post any of your biome concepts in the Discord server. Wow, I got very unlucky. Let's see, 999 Lunapons. There you go, ancient mushroom seeds. Yay! The rarity on it is wrong. That's okay. We did it! We've done it! Yay! Okay. Well, I guess that's going to be the end of the stream. Let me make sure I'm not doing this. In the next stream, we're going to get to work making more of the biome, getting things happening. If that game is worked on again, we'll play more of that. Just going to have a good, fun time. Thank you all for showing up. We'll be here next Tuesday at 11:30 a.m. CST. Yeah. Should be a video out this month. Also, members, there should be some members content happening soon as well. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.